Oh, hello everyone. Today is a very sunny day in London and I'm right in front of Selfridges, which is the second largest store in London. So there are lots and lots of things to look at there, to explore. So please join me on the window shopping and I'll show you around the store. Now we're on the ground floor of Selfridges and there are lots and lots of designer bags and designer clothes to see. So let's look around. Is that? That is a type of dragon fruit, I think. Different colour. This tomatoes look interesting. Very interesting. Wow. Okay, so this is a section called jewellery and watches, and there are lots of designer clothes for men. So it's Vivian Westwood, men's accessory. And I think it's this particular one here, that's Vivian Westwood. I think this is an interesting clothing. Different colours, and I think the black underneath it actually goes very well with the contrast between the black and the green. I think it's very nice. I think it's very interesting shoes for men. I'll definitely wear those. I think that's a very nice colour for men, actually. Very nice. The men's section has got lots of beautiful clothes. Look at these beautiful trousers with lovely patterns, and you've also got nice shirts with patterns as well. They're just very, very stylish. So now we are on, this is actually the second floor. Okay, this is the second floor and it's for women's designer clothes and shoes and everything. So it says women's designer galleries. So I've got Miu brand here, which is kind of popular at the moment. Those look very nice actually. Now you can wash them as well because they're made out of knitted, they're knitted.
Yeah, interesting.
Victoria design. I think what I think is that they're quite colourful and they've got different range of colours. Interesting design. But I think they're quite for slim people though, unless they have bigger sizes. Right. Like, oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the way it's shaped up into like, you can actually stick a cake in there. Interesting design.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do.
So we're now on the women's contemporary studio floor, which is slightly different from the previous floor that we all had the designer. So let's have a look and see what we mean by women's contemporary. Let's have a look. This is a good example of women's contemporary. So can you see? Even look at the bag. Trousers. Wow. That's an interesting. And I look at the dress. That's contemporary clothing. Okay, let's have a look at that.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right.
We're in a different world. We are on the 4th floor, which is the kids' toy shop. And now
Well, not just for kids, right?
I wish I was a kid now, because I love all these fluffy. Look at that. Wow. Oh wow. This is like being in Wonderland.
They are. What is this? I don't know.
Very nice.
Bring me down for all to see.
Snap your selfie here. Maybe we
Switch
should.
it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me.
I love this.
The highest
Why?
I love
highs,
this. And I just
the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme.
Look, a carrot cake.
Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
I love this. I think it's very cute. It reminds me of myself as well.
Oh, okay.
We've got similar eyes.
The misery.
So now we're going to the restaurant and cafe to get something to eat after a long day. So we've been to all the floors and it's time to get some food. Let's go see what they have.
No, I'll eat it. I got Hong Kong milk tea. Nice. And I got hojicha latte. It's an oat hojicha latte. This is really good. This is a 9 out of 10. I recommend it if you go to the food hall. The food is here. So this is margarita pizza. This is artichoke fritti and garlic sauce. And this is orange juice. Try it.
Artichoke fritti. Artichoke fritti. I've never tried them before. So
is it nice?
So now we're on the lower ground floor, and it's full of books, cookware. It's got a cafe, called Johnny's Cafe, and a wine shop. It also has home accessories. It's got lots of technology, We're interested in technology, and it has a cinema. So we're going to go to the cinema now to see what they have on there. Okay, so let's go.
It's like a dog. No, it's like a dog. What is it doing? It's dancing. Why is it doing a handstand? What is this? That looks like a helmet. So weird. Oh.
It works like the consolidation of nutrient intake.
Okay.
So it's actually for hair growth.
Gaming. If you're a gamer, this place is for you.
I think it should be that kind of comfort.
These aren't they? Unless.
So now, finally, we've seen all the different floors of Selfridges, and if you ever pop around Oxford Circus, please do not miss that opportunity to come into Selfridges and have a look, even if it's just window shopping. I mean, there's so many interesting things. And one interesting thing that I learned today is the lower ground floor that is full of technology. And when they say technology, I was just thinking about computers. No, it's about state-of-the-art technology, robots, all sorts of things, AI things that are going to take over. Anyway, so please make sure you put yourself into the have a look. All the places of it, food, clothes, technology, I think. All right. So thank you for watching my video, and see you soon.